Let's see how you can set up SOCKS5 proxies using Decodo. Log into the Decodo dashboard and select a proxy type from the Proxies sidebar. For this example, we'll use residential. If you don't have a user created yet, click Create User. Then, enter any name you want and click Add. Alternatively, you can add a whitelisted IP. To do this, go to the Authentication tab, select Whitelisted IPs, and click Add IP. Enter your IP address in the IP address field and press Add. This allows all devices on your network to use the proxy without authentication. Next, customize your proxy. Select a location from the drop-down menu, as well as the ASN and zip code if available. Select a session type. A sticky session will keep your IP for a set period of time, while rotating will assign you a new IP with every connection. Finally, in the protocol drop-down, select the SOCKS5 protocol. Your endpoint URLs are now generated and ready to be used. You can generate more or less by adjusting the endpoints number. Get the whole endpoint by clicking the Copy to Clipboard button, or click on parts individually to copy them instead. If you want to get the whole list, click the Download button and select to export to either clipboard, CSV, or TXT file. At the bottom of the page, you'll find code snippets in several coding languages. You can apply the endpoints to any application or tool. If you want an easy way to test your proxy, copy the curl command. Open your terminal tool, paste the command, and run it. If you see an IP address different than yours, congratulations! Your proxy works correctly. Want to try it yourself completely free of charge? Register for the Decodo dashboard using the link in the description.